Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to help visitors find your physical location easily and make your site more professional and user-friendly. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Website. This will take you to the specific website management area where you can make changes to your site. Now, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. This step is important because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to add the Google Maps feature. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you've selected the right one before proceeding. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to move forward. This will open up the website editor where you'll be able to customize and add elements to your site. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens and where you can visually design your site. Start by locating the Add Elements button on the left navigation menu. It's one of the main tools you'll use for building out your pages. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear, showing you all the different elements and widgets you can add to your website. From the Add Elements menu, scroll down and locate the Contact and Forms section. This section contains all the tools related to helping visitors get in touch with you or find your location. Click on Contact and Forms and from there, look for Google Maps. Once you find it, you'll be presented with different map layouts and color schemes to choose from. Wix offers a variety of styles, so you can match the map to your website's design aesthetic. Simply choose the map style you wish to use and drag it onto your website canvas. Position it wherever you think it looks best, whether that's in your contact section, footer, or a dedicated location page. You can resize it to fit your layout perfectly, and that's it. You've successfully added Google Maps to your Wix website, making it easier for customers and visitors to find you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.